Starting with an online trading platform becomes easier when the experience feels clear, organised and professionally presented. In this Gostonemax.com Reviews for Beginners overview, the spotlight is on the qualities that shape the platform's positive identity. The first noticeable element is clarity. Gostonemax.com presents a modern digital environment with a straightforward platform concept and a clean approach to financial technology. This creates a smooth first impression and gives the brand a structured, professional presence. Another strong point is simplicity. A beginner-friendly platform identity is built through accessible information, organised navigation and communication that avoids unnecessary complexity. Gostonemax.com reflects this approach through a polished presentation designed around ease of interaction. Customer attention is also central to a competent online trading experience. Clear support communication and a professional service image strengthen the overall impression of the brand and contribute to a more reassuring platform journey. The platform also carries a modern fintech character. From its digital trading positioning to its focus on functionality and clear interaction, Gostonemax.com presents an image connected with confidence, structure and practical online access. Positive Gostonemax.com reviews can highlight these key themes: a modern platform identity, clear communication, professional presentation, and an approachable experience for beginners exploring online trading. Gostonemax.com brings together clarity, simplicity, and a customer-focused platform image in one modern digital environment. Discover more about Gostonemax.com and explore its approach to accessible online trading.